In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a schedule in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and create a new board that will hold your schedule. This board will act as the main place where all of your planning information lives, so it helps to think of it as your scheduling dashboard. You can name it based on the purpose of your schedule, whether it's for personal planning, team tasks, events, or work shifts. Keeping the board clearly organized from the beginning makes it much easier to maintain later. Once your board is ready, begin adding items for the things you want to schedule. These items can represent tasks, meetings, appointments, project milestones, or employee shifts, depending on what kind of schedule you're building. Try to make each item name clear and specific so that anyone viewing the board can immediately understand what it refers to. A clean naming style will save time when your schedule becomes more detailed. Next, add a date column or a timeline column. This is one of the most important parts of the setup because it allows Monday.com to place your items on a schedule visually. If each item only needs a single date, the date column may be enough. If your items span across multiple days or have both a beginning and ending point, the timeline column is often the better choice. Choosing the right column type helps your schedule display more accurately in different views. After that, enter the start and end dates for each item. If you're using a date column, you may enter the relevant date for the task or event. If you're using a timeline column, set both the starting date and the ending date so the full duration is captured. Be as accurate as possible here because these dates determine how your schedule appears in calendar-based and timeline-based layouts. You can then add owners and status labels to each item. Assigning an owner makes it clear who is responsible for a task, event, or shift. Status labels help show progress or current condition, such as planned, in progress, or complete. Together, these columns make your schedule much easier to understand at a glance and help reduce confusion when multiple people are involved. Now switch to calendar, timeline, or Gantt view to visualize your schedule. Each view gives you a different way to understand the same information. Calendar view is useful for day-by-day planning. Timeline view helps you see duration across a broader period. And Gantt view is especially helpful when managing overlapping work and longer schedules. As your plans change, make sure to update the schedule whenever dates or assignments change. Keeping the board current ensures that your schedule stays useful, accurate, and reliable for everyone who depends on it.